In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel an auto attack in League of Legends. Now, one thing you can do is if you want to reset your auto attacks, you can attack and use your ability right after. So this is when you attack normally, and there's a little waiting period, as you can see, between each attack. So what you can do is attack and then immediately use your ability. Now, many heroes have the abilities to cancel auto attacks, such as Garen Q, you can do it on set Q, and of course you can do it on KL, auto attacking, and then using the ability. That way you don't stutter when you're attacking, and it will come just right after. So that's one way you can do it. Now, if you only want to just cancel your auto attack, like not doing it, you can simply just move. So charge the attack and move. As you can see, no damage, and I'm canceling the attack completely, except that one. So that's basically how you can do it in League of Legends, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.